Hello students. Today the topic is packing in crystals. So in packing of fruits or arranging of bricks for constructing the wall or arrangement of things in shop or the seating arrangement in a classroom, so they need a packing system. So in fruit stall also, how the packing of fruits takes place. So they are in closest packed arrangement as shown in the figure. Closed pack arrangement, that is next with the next, so no gap in between the fruits. So we can extend this analogy to visualize the packing of constituents, that is atoms or ions or molecules in crystals. So in crystal structure, how the atoms, ions or molecules are arranged to form a cubic and a hexagonal unit cell. So here, to maximize the attractive forces between the constituents, that is, there is no gap extends between the any two atoms. So to maximize or to increase the attractive forces between the atom, ion or molecule, generally they tends to pack together as close as possible to each other. So the packing may be a three-dimensional arrangement and a two-dimensional arrangement. So first we are going to see about the unidimensional, that is in one direction or in one dimension, how the arrangement takes place. So first type is linear arrangement of spheres in one direction. So in a specific direction, that means at any direction, at any particular one direction only, that is in a specific direction, there is only one possibility to arrange the spheres in one direction. That means either in the linear or in the form of vertical. There is only one type of arrangement. So in this arrangement, each sphere is in contact with two neighboring spheres on either side. In this paragraph, only 2 points is there. So in a specific direction, there is only one possibility to arrange the spheres in one direction. This is the first point. And second point, while arranging each sphere, which is in contact with the two neighboring sphere. That means if you take any one sphere, it can touch with both the sides with two atoms or two molecules or two ions. So one atom or one ion, they can having a two neighboring spheres on the either side. So likewise, if it is arranged, means this is called as a linear arrangement of spheres in one dimension. The next, in two-dimensional close packing, in two way, that is in two-dimensional, easy, that is x-axis along y-axis, the arrangement you have to arrange. So in two-dimensional close packing, there are two types. One is AAA type and the second type is ABAB type. First I will discuss about AA type. That means in all how the first row is arranged. Similarly, the second row, the third row. So continuously it is arranged, means it is called as a AAA type. See, the linear arrangement of spheres in one direction is repeated in two dimension. So that means horizontal rows and the vertical rows all are equal. More number of rows can be generated identical to the one dimensional arrangement, such that all spheres of different rows align vertically as well as horizontally. This one is very, very important. That means the arrangement of spheres, that is arrangement of atoms in a horizontal row, is identical with the arrangement of spheres in the vertical side. So if we denote the first row as A type, then the above mentioned packing, that means if we denote the first row as A type arrangement and the second row is also a type arrangement, third row also a type arrangement, then we call it as then the packing is called AAA type, because all rows are identical. How the first row A is arranged is similar way the second row and the third row is also arranged. So all the rows are identical as the first one. So in this arrangement, if we take each sphere is contact with four of its neighbor. So you see in the picture, one green sphere is there which can touch with four pink spheres. So a top, side, both, then down one. So it forms that means the green spheres which can touch with the four other pink sphere. So each atom they can touch with four other spheres. So in this type of arrangement, we call it as a two-dimensional close packing of in two-dimensional close packing. The second type is AB type. Here, the second row spears are arranged in such a way that they fit into the depression of the first row. Suppose the pink row, which is called as a first row, the type is A type. And the second row of the green ball arrangement, in between two atoms, some gap is there. So to filling that gap, the second row is arranged. So the second row spears are arranged in such a way that they can fit into the depression. Depression means in between gap. So depression of the first row are shown in the figure. The second row is denoted as B type. So then third row, which is similar to the first row, that is A type arrangement. So first row, third row and the fifth row, they are similar or identical. And the second row and the fourth row, sixth row, they are identical. So alternatively, the pink colored arrangement, we call it as the A type, and the green type is called B, and again A, pink, then again green, B. So likewise, if it is arranged means we call it as a AB type. So the B arrangement, that is the second row can fit into the second row spear, they can fit into the depression of the first row. So the third row is arranged similar to the first row A, and the fourth one is arranged similar to the second one. So the pattern is repeated as AB. Next, very important one, in this arrangement of each spear, if we take any one spear means it can contact with 6 of its neighboring spears. That means if we take one that is in third row, if you are taking any pink ball, they can touch with 6 spears of the next rows and the previous rows. So in this arrangement, each spear is contact with 6 of its neighboring spear. But in the AAA type, that is connected with the 4. But in AB type, it is connected with 6 of its neighboring spears.